Hi. Okay. This is a request from Bauer. I don't even know how to pronounce this.
Bearing, yeah, pretty much.
Bauer or I can't even speak that. Oh, woo. Okay. Anyways, Barrowing or something like that, and yeah. So. Okay. Ready? Okay, come on, here.
So much work.
Okay.
It's like
I'm kneeling.
Okay.
We're working out.
We're working out, pumping our blood up.
Ah! Ah! This is so freaking heavy. You know how heavy this is? My God. You know?
Yeah, you can lift it with your mouth.
I can lift it with my mouth, but I can't lift it with my fingers. It's too freaking hard. Okay, you know what?
I just have a dead in there. You know that?
Okay. Ow!
I'm failing. My butt's stuck.
I'm good. Okay.
This is heavy weight. Ow.
We're working out. Ah! Oh, he is fat.
I need to do.
Look at you. Get all that camera.
You shouldn't go back.
Hold.
We saved it. I'm hungry. I'm gonna look.
Ooh. Okay. So, besides the fact that the sun is in my hair, like really bad, it's killing my eyes. Okay. Okay. Dude, like, I cannot give anyone piggyback rides because if I give people piggyback rides, I would fall to the ground. Like, legit. Okay. And yes, give me piggyback rides. It's killing me! Okay. Anyway, so.
You got a Kit Kat? Want a Kit Kat?
Ow! Don't just throw Kit Kats at me. Okay. I do have a Facebook. My name on Facebook, if you don't know, well, you can look right on my. Shut up. You can look right on my channel, and it will tell you.
Her channel is right there.
Yeah, right.
Just.
Right,
I don't.
right.
Just.
Either
there,
way,
right there.
maybe
Right there, just click
one
it.
of these
It's
corners.
this side. Wait. Yeah, this corner.
Okay. Anyways, look over. No. Look over here, and if you see right there, right there. Okay, that is my my Facebook. All right.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, that's my Facebook. It is. Okay. And I do model, but I'm only a site model. I'm not like a professional model. Like, oh my God! Yeah, no, I don't go in magazines or anything.
Good hair extension.
Yeah. Okay.
Can you dare to borrow what?
Okay, I don't. Oh, okay. And I'm supposed to be making this out to Bower Ring or whatever it is. name is. But there you go and stuff. And my rainbow hair. I just got that today.
She did it because I was doing my hair and then she knows she
Oh my
was
god, if I
bored.
put my eye on that shade right there, it looks like I have a black eye.
There you go. Oh yeah, it does.
I know. Okay. Anyways, so I don't have a black eye. Holy shit. Okay. So I'll see you later, people. That was a weird, kind of funny video that someone requested. So peace out. Bye.